everyone. I'm here with a Temu haul. Thought you guys might like to enjoy that. I haven't had a Temu haul in a while. Felt like doing a little shopping, so that's what I did. I got some stuff from art, some stuff for crochet, and just some general stuff. So here we go. I got this ring. Let me take it out so you can see it. It is a elephant ring. I love elephants. Let's see here, size 5. I got a small one because I have small fingers. Yeah. Perfect. Oops. An elephant ring. Okay, I got this. Sorry for all the crinkling, but it's gonna be crinkling. This video is gonna have crinkling in it. There. I got this hook for my bathroom door, so I can hang that on like this on the door, and I can put my towels on there. So that's what that's for. I got these plastic bags to put all my stuff in, my art stuff. Like today, we did these. These snippets on my Streamathon live, and we did these. What do you call these? Rub-ons today during my live. So I wanted to get different bags so I could hold my goodies in them. So they have like a zipper like that, and you put your stuff in there, and I could keep things separate for my card making and stuff. I thought that was, these are like $2 for like, I don't know, however many of them there are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. So thought those would be useful. I saw this and I was like, oh, this is cool. I need one of these. I should have bought one for Sarah too. I will. I'm gonna get her one. This one's pink, so pink's for me. But I'm gonna get her one. This is a spatula for when you can't reach the bottom of your jar. You know, your mayonnaise jar or your peanut butter or whatever. You know, you gotta get in there without getting your hand all dirty. Isn't that cool? It's like $2. Good quality silicone too. I like it. It's good. I got this mat for my kitchen, for under my new pink coffee maker. That's what that's for. That's fun. I got this bag. I got this for toting around my crochet stuff. This nice little bag, and it's got pockets everywhere. You can put all your things in there, and a pocket here on the outside, and there's space on the inside. And these here, see, these come out and they have Velcro, so you can see, look, you can let me show you here. So you can make little sections. I thought I'd put my yarn in there, and then I got a nice, got nice leather handles, and to bring my yarn like to Sarah's house when I go to her house. And then I got this one here to put my hooks in. Put my hooks and my nicely lined and everything. Again, like this was like $2.50 or something. I like mandalas, so I got a mandala one. And so I put my crochet hooks in there and my stitch markers and my scissors, and I'll put it in here, and then I, you know, take this with my yarn, and away Shannon goes with her stuff. She's ready to go crocheting. I got a pair of earrings. I need new earrings. They have earrings there, really super cheap. Oops, that's the earring ends here. Yeah, these don't exactly look like what they look like in the picture. They look cheaper. I'll say that right now. These do not look like what the picture looked like. But, oh, I lost the end. Doesn't matter anyways. These are just going to go in your ear. But, yeah, they'll be fine. Let's try them on. There. One. This ear is a little inflamed. But hey, yeah, there you go. Not bad. They're a little cheap. Now I know. You get what you pay for sometimes, eh? Sometimes you get a good deal though, like these. Like my socks that I got for $1 a pair. Are they great? Look at those. They're nice socks, eh? Needed some socks. There you go. Very nice. Alrighty, I got some stuff for my journaling, card making. I got some more of these. These are the things that I put on my cards all the time. I'm running out. So they have all kinds of different things, different colors, and blue ones and brown ones. They say things like, collect beautiful moments. Today is a good day. Don't forget to fly. A dream is a wish your heart makes, just because. So those are the things I like to put on my cards. So got some more of those. Put that in my little card area right here where I keep all that stuff. There we go. Got plastic bags everywhere now. I don't know. You need all this plastic? I don't think so. I got these again. I bought these once before and I really liked them. They made really effective, beautiful cards. Very nice mandalas. Isn't it pretty? There. Again, they're just a couple dollars. They're just die cuts, but they're really pretty. Are they beautiful? They make beautiful cards. The green. Yeah, the green. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this one. Love this one. Yeah, so got those to make cards with. Whoa, I got a couple more things here. I got this for Sarah. You guys don't have one of these choppers, you need to get one because these are the best things ever since sliced bread. Another new tool they came out with. Oh, it's stuck in the chopper is stuck in the plastic. Here, there's a chopper, so you can, break up your ground beef, or you got a can of tomatoes you want to break up. There you go. Got that for Sarah. Alrighty. Then I got a new curtain for my bedroom because my other curtain is it has cat hair on it from when I had my cats, and so I got this new fancy one. Check this out. You're gonna love this. Look. Isn't it pretty? like boho. My style is kind of boho. This is how it goes, like this. Yeah, that's very much Shannon. I like those. That's gonna be nice in my bedroom. That's gonna go good. I have like a carpet. It's all mandala, and my bedroom is like teal and yellow, and so this will look really nice in there. And then my last things I got were some carpets for the kitchen. And here we go. Pretty, eh? That's the one that's gonna go in front of the coffee area. And then I got a bigger one to go in front of the sink area. This is a longer one. Isn't that pretty? I love it. So, Shannon's house is getting a makeover. We're gonna have some new stuff in the kitchen and some new stuff in the bedroom and some new art stuff, some new jewelry, my little elephant ring. Isn't it cute? I love it. I got it the perfect size too. Size 5. I have very small hands. Tiny baby hands. So there's my haul. Oh, I got some new socks too. I'm happy. I'm happy. So all of this stuff cost me $60. Not bad, eh? The expensive things were the curtain was like 15, I think, or 16. The bag was around the same. And the carpets were a little bit more expensive. But most of this stuff is like $2, $3. It's fun. Fun, do a little Temu haul every once in a while. So I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you on Friday. We're going to do a crochet along. And hope you enjoyed my live that we had today. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.